A gorgeous, memorable wedding is what everyone dreams about, but only a few get to sit back, enjoy, and live their fantasies. A perfect venue, beautiful jewelry and clothes, sumptuous wine and food, getting all your loved ones under one roof, adhering to all the customs and traditions, and yet managing to enjoy the entire wedding is the wish of every bride and bridegroom. But as the list of requirements grow, so does the stress and the strain. And who wants to be stressed on their own wedding day? Do you? Welcome to Dulha Dulhan Destination. I'm Angela, and we're about to take you on a wonderful journey to destination weddings in Thailand. So planning a wedding can be so much of fun and creative, but whoever's telling you it is easy is not telling you the truth. In today's episode, we meet the most crucial people who make your dreams come true. The wedding planner. They are professionals who make sure they save time, money, and considerably a lot of stress for the couple and the family by planning a spectacular wedding so that the couple, the family can enjoy, savor the moments, and without taking any stress and hassle for organizing the wedding.
Six years ago, four very well acquainted people decided to start a joint venture of event planning because we felt that in Thailand there was a lot of scope of a lot of destination weddings coming here, but no one to take it in the right direction. All coming from jewelry background, we all decided we will do it because it's our passion. We enjoyed every moment of planning a wedding from the start, from the transportation of the guests from the airport till bringing them to the hotel, and in that hotel to give them all their meals, all the decorations, all the concepts, gifting, and then the final, make it a dream wedding.
The job of a wedding planner requires tremendous multitasking, right from thinking to out-of-the-box solutions to handling tricky situations. From budgeting to venue decor, to themes, to food catering, transport arrangements, hotel arrangements, videography, photography, artist management, entertainment nights, to handling both the families and yet keeping up to the traditions and rituals. The list is endless, and yet with the calm and confidence of organizing hundreds of weddings, the wedding planner makes sure everything goes without a hitch.
Our biggest challenge in an event planning is the weather. People come to Thailand for exotic locations, outdoor venues, beachfront weddings, sunset weddings, dream weddings. But when the rain gods start, then that's when our plan B, C, D kicks in. We have to have a backup plan for each venue in case of rain, or sometimes in case of too much humidity, where we know that if in case it rains, we will move the mandap to a different indoor location. But there are also been times when the mandap has already been constructed and set up and it starts drizzling. So in that case, we need to come up with a plan immediately on the spot. So what we had done in a wedding in Krabi, the whole beautiful mandap, it was the dream of the bride's father to have the mandap in between of the swimming pool. And the night before, he asked me of only one thing: Krishna, make sure that the mandap stays there. Please don't move it, because there were a lot of signs, a lot of forecasts that there was going to be rain the next day. It was an open mandap design, but at the end of it, we created a trust on top of that mandap with a waterproof shed on top, and we left the mandap in between. It was a beautiful wedding. It did drizzle before, it did drizzle during the barat, but during the wedding, it was all clear. It was a beautiful wedding. They did the kanyadan right in between the swimming pool, and that's all. That look that the father gave me was something that is priceless, and it was very, very nice.
Ah, these were the gifts you were talking about.
Yes.
What is this one?
These are good night gifts. So we put them by the bedside of each guest in every room.
What are all of these? I mean,
These are the thank you wedding gifts. After the wedding, we leave this during the feiras when everybody's at the wedding ceremony. These are all turned down gifts which are placed by your bedside.
oh wow, but these are actually Thai.
These are very traditional Thai, hand painted gold porcelains, bend your own sets.
Wow.
And we keep it with a thank you card from the family.
But is it always have to be the Thai kind of a gift, or is it Indian as well?
Indian too. You can have more Indian with gold coins and silver coins, or
You
can
mean
have
to
it-
say real gold coins?
Mhm. It depends on the family. And you can put them
That
like
is
this.
gorgeous.
You can put a silver box and then you put saffron or
Wow.
whatever else you want.
Ooh, those. What about those bags? That looks nice.
Those are the mehndi potli bags. You give them at mehndi parties.
Mehendi parties.
Yes, more traditionally Indian. There can be more Western also. These are also mehndi gifts. These are bracelets.
Wow. This actually goes to every guest.
Yes.
What about the men?
For the men,
The
usually
ladies.
we give them a sash or we give them hats.
I thought that was your thinking hat.
No, these are giveaway beat the heat hats.
Oh, so
it's
you
hot-
say those pool parties
Yes,
and
those cool parties.
nice. That looks gorgeous. Oh, this is just like a fairy tale.
Yes.
Take a look. And this exciting? Well, Krishna Patel here with us has some amazing insights and ideas on how to make your wedding even more stylish.
In the package of wedding planning, we offer from hotel accommodation. So we negotiate with the hotels on behalf of the client. We suggest them venues as per their budget and requirement of room number. We have wedding hospitality desks. We have detailed program booklets. We have all-day lounge with internet provided for the wedding couple and the guests. We do the extensive multi-cuisine menus. We create menus for each wedding depending on their likes and depending on the age bracket of guests coming, so that everybody has something good to eat to match their taste palettes. In terms of decor, we do designer mandaps, we do the whole Barat processions, we do venue decorations, centerpieces, table covers, and whatnot. Entertainment, we have a wide range of entertainment that is available in Bangkok. Apart from that, we can also help get entertainment from abroad, depending on what they want to have at each event. Transportation, that is from the time we make guest arrival and departure manifest drafts, and we have a 24-hour standby vehicles. We can arrange for chartered airlines, trains, aircrafts, depending on what the client requires. From services, we provide from Mehndi Walis to makeup artists to Panditji to filming photography to RSVP management, financial management and legal marriage registration.
शादियाँ बहुत ही खूबसूरत और हसीन होती हैं, but they come with their own challenges.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Anne นะคะปนดาทองดี I'm Account Director Catering from Plaza Athene Arroyo Meridian Bangkok. Right now we sit here at the Royal Premise Theme Suite. This is a part of our theme suite that normally we provide to the wedding couple. Normally, sometimes I have to deal with the organizer like Kun Krishna, which is normally once she comes, she will introduce me to the family and she will pass all the details and the concept and the theme that the client want. Each wedding, they have their own concept and theme. My job is to absorb all the detail, even big or small, to make it memorable and make the event is successful. So once time I have a challenge to organize like it is the Sangeet night and I have to do like a disco night. So I just think about what can we provide for them to make it wow. So I discussed with the operation team, we brainstorm and involve all the concerns to make it something different. So finally I have to find out the vendor to find the costume and the accessory. But it's not easy for a 30 people hotel staff, to fit for the costume and accessory to wow them. But finally we got the support from the vendor and we can make it happen. Finally the guests were surprised and happy. Once time we have the challenge one about the Bharat ceremony. Because in India normally you will use elephant and horse, right? But it's not practical in Thailand, especially for the heart of Bangkok. So I recommend them instead of use elephant or horse, we'll use by the supercar. Finally on that day for the Bharat, can you imagine we have a lot of more than 10 supercar in front of the hotel. So it's quite mind-blowing, the event, and all the guests were surprised.
Plaza Athene Bangkok was built on royal land, former home of Princess Vajiralongkorn. The hotel design reflects her extensive journeys around the world. This Ratna Crescent Suite is the grandest, reflecting true royalty. The guest rooms are in a Thai colonial design, plus the royal theme suites show different themes. But what we find intriguing and utterly charming is how Krishna and her team put together Indian weddings with age-old Hindu rituals and an unmistakably Thai touch.
From the guests being welcomed by traditionally dressed Thai women performing a Vai, to dancers and flower ladies accompanying the Bharat, the intricate Varmalas woven in the Thai style, even the mandatory Ganesh Puja has a Thai touch with an exquisite floral setup done in a Thai fashion. Khom Le Thai lanterns are released after the Pheras come to an end as a spectacular finale to an unforgettable ceremony. It is no wonder that at the end of the wedding ceremony, everyone is awestruck by how aesthetically everything was organized.
The blissfully happy couple ties the knot. The guests return joyful and satisfied. But the hard-working wedding planner's work is not yet over. So come back after a commercial break because we will tell you the fascinating work of the wedding planner. आपका फिर से स्वागत है ऑन दुल्हा दुल्हन डेस्टिनेशन. हम हैं कृष्णा पटेल के साथ who designs the most exquisite weddings for her satisfied clients.
Most of the brides prefer to go for wedding shopping back in India. They feel there is more variety and more designers to choose from. We do have a couple of good designer stores in Bangkok that have it's a one-stop place where all the designers have their clothes and brides can choose that from.
We were the first initial people who started designer wear. Yes, it was very difficult in the initial stage because it's not as cheap. We had to explain them the cut, the fabric. There's a lot of things involved in a designer wear that you do not get in a market wear. When you wear a designer, you fit like a glove. When you do not wear a designer, the fit is all over, the workmanship is all over. I mean, and that took years for people to understand that, oh yes, this is designer wear. I mean, we actually were the pioneers to make people in Thailand aware of designer wear. When someone walks into our store, they're a bit aware that we are a designer wear. So what we want to have a bride look or be is graceful, beautiful and confident. So I think we're here to help each bride look their best in what we feel is an international trend or an Indian trend. And I think this is what Grace Beyond Compare is all about.
We have a couple of good photographers and videographers, but the challenge that they have is because they are Thais, they find it difficult to understand why is everybody else so important in a wedding. They usually focus on just the bride and groom, but when videographers and photographers from India, they realize that wedding is not only about the couple, it's about the whole family. So they'll make sure there are pictures of the dada, the dadi, the nana, the nani, and everybody else involved in that wedding, not just the couple. So they will know how to focus on everybody and make everybody feel like a part of the whole big fat Indian wedding.
Our Indian wedding is incomplete without food. No matter whatever fun you do, whatever dances you do, end of the day, yes, you need your homely food, the homely dibba. So I think that was very important, and I think people do understand, and the challenge was what they feel is away from India, you get, I will say, if not better, at least the same food. So you don't miss your home country.
As you can see, the wedding planner is the fulcrum around whom the entire event revolves. In any wedding, you can spot the wedding planner from far off because they are the people who are always on the go.
Food is the soul of the entire wedding. We need to make sure that each and every age group has been served and is satisfied with the food menus that we create. So therefore, we need to have food that matches the taste palettes of all the age groups.
Makeup can do all the magic on the face, and we can make a very tired person like awake, like a fresh and all. So I think makeup does a lot of things, and I always say that makeup is a confidence to a woman. You know, when everybody can have this confidence in them, all the features are very important. I won't say only the eyes or the lips or the cheeks and the nose. All the features are very, very important because we want to give a different look to the bride. So we cannot play only with the eyes or only with the cheeks or only with the lips. We have to work out on the whole face. So I would say, I think the whole canvas, the canvas is very important. When we go for the meeting, we always ask a person your skin type, and then like, are you allergic with any brand or something? We always write down the details and then we go ahead with that person.
पुराने ज़माने में our ancestors used to store jewelry the moment they came to know it was a baby girl. There was also a tradition where family jewelry was passed. But now the trends are changing. Women want to be in fashion. यानी कि पहले माएँ अपनी बेटियों को पुराने कंगन दिया करती थी, पर आज ज़माना चेंज हो गया है. आज सारी गर्ल्स को चाहिए न्यू एज फैशन कंगन्स. यानी कि सारी मम्मीज अब जाती है ज्वेलरी स्टोर पर लाती है अपनी बेटियों के लिए नए कंगन्स, the new age fashion trend. Isn't this something to look forward to?
Gold alternate today that it represents other than the chains that what we used to give in olden times or watches. This is something that they have a range of things, or sometimes we do cufflinks with the alphabets of the groom or whatever. It depends on the client's requirement. We target majority is with the NRI weddings, you know, and the NRI clientele because it's easier to deal with them in that case. And of course their taste is a bit different being based in abroad, you know. So they'd like definitely more of modern styles. Today, of course, in India also, when you see the population of this size, there are demand, you know. The taste is there everywhere, you know, the rich class everywhere. We sell pieces today which we sell all over. We sell in US, we sell in Europe, we sell in Middle East, we sell in Far East. So it's not bound by particular, you know, people have this mentally, this thing that, oh, this thing only probably sells India or probably sells in Middle East. It's not like that. When it goes beyond certain price point, people like to have something different, more of a collection, something more classy. So people all over, we can sell certain items, you know.
I always tell everyone, like all the ladies, you should drink 1 glass of coconut water every day. That really makes your skin very healthy and very flawless, because we want to use less makeup to make you look wow. Because we don't believe in thick layers and then you look flawless. No, we want that flawless skin to play with.
So all the talk for planning for months, doing site visits and executing a perfect wedding has made me so very tired and so hungry. So I'm heading to Saras, the restaurant known for its vegetarian cuisine. Join me next week as we continue this magical journey in the land of smiles, Thailand. Only on ZTV's Dulha Dulhan Destination. This is your host and host Angela. Swadika.